An 84-year-old gentleman recovered from COVID-19 and was discharged from Bethany Hospital today. He was admitted on 11 September 2020 with profound fatigue, breathlessness and fever and was tested positive for COVID-19. His HRCT chest showed bilateral COVID pneumonia features and ECG showed ventricular premature complexes. He had comorbidities, namely hypertension, megaloblastic, anemia and prostanogaly. He also had low blood cell counts, leukopenia and thrombocytopenia, for which he was undergoing treatment. His story shines a light of hope in all of us overcoming this battle as a state and community. It's always wonderful to see people affected with COVID-19 recover. We continue to celebrate with our COVID-19 patients whenever they recover and go home from the hospital. But the celebration was extra special because this patient at 84 years old is the oldest in the state to recover and be discharged. His strength and determination are amazing. He was put on high oxygen support for first 6 days and other treatment, after which he improved symptomatically and became better. He was hospitalized for 14 days and as he left the hospital, the doctors and nurses lined the hallways to cheer on as he was wheeled out and discharged after his test results returned negative on the 13th day. The hospital would like to thank the doctors, nurses and all medical staffs for their relentless efforts and selfless dedication and for working tirelessly to provide quality care to all the patients with compassion and commitment.
Dạ,